Good morning. My name is M. Narasimharao, lecturer in physics. Today, I am explaining parallelogram law of vectors, class 11 physics. First of all, I will explain the statement. If two vectors are acting simultaneously at a point along the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, representing both in magnitude and direction, the resultant of these two vectors is represented by the diagonal passing through the same point, both in magnitude and direction. Now this is the statement of the parallelogram law of vectors. Now, in this diagram, O, A, C, B is a parallelogram. OA and OB are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. OC represents the diagonal of the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, from 8th class knowledge, we are having one basic concept. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here, you see here, OA and BC, both are opposite sides. OA and BC, both are opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal. OA is equal to vector P. OA is equal to vector P. BC also equal to vector P. OB and AC are the opposite sides. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. OB is equal to Q. AC also equal to vector Q. Here, P is the vector acting along the adjacent sides of the parallelogram along OA direction. Q is another vector which is acting along the OB direction along the adjacent side of the parallelogram. P and Q are the two vectors acting on a particle from the same point along the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. The angle between the vector P and vector Q is theta. The angle between the vector P and vector Q is theta. Angle BOD, angle BOD is equal to theta. That is equal to angle CAD also equal to theta. This angle is theta. This angle is also equal to theta. Now, this is the resultant. This resultant is making an angle alpha with the direction of the vector P. Now, please listen. You extend OA, and to this extension, you draw one perpendicular from the point C. This OA extension and this perpendicular both are meeting at the point D. This is a perpendicular. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Now please listen. Now OA is equal to P. OB is equal to Q. OC is equal to R. OA is the adjacent side, OB is the adjacent side, OC is the diagonal. This vector P, this vector Q, both are acting from the same point. Angle between P and Q is theta. Angle between the resultant vector and the vector P is equal to alpha. Now please listen. In the real life, where we are using this one. Now, here, now you know very well about the sling, S-L-I-N-G, sling. It is a Y-shaped instrument. It is a Y-shaped instrument. Sling we are calling as a sling. It is a Y-shaped instrument. It is a metal frame, otherwise wooden frame. To this, we are adding one rubber band. We are adding one rubber band at the edges. Now this is the rubber band. In the middle, here we are keeping one stone. We are keeping one stone. When we are stretching backside, now this is the rubber band, it is also rubber band. It is the metal frame or it is the wooden frame. We are calling it as a sling. If you stretch these rubber bands backside, tension will be developed in the rubber bands. One tension is acting in this direction. Another tension is acting in this direction. Two tensions are acting from the same point. Finally, resultantly, the stone moves in the middle. This is the resultant. This is the resultant. Now, this is the resultant. Right? Similarly, now here there is a one particle. Here there is a one particle. On this particle, one vector is acting along OA direction. Another vector is acting along OB direction. Two vectors are acting at the same time from the same point. The resultant of these two is represented by the both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal passing through the same point. Now, in this diagram, O, A, C, B is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Right? Now, this is OA and OB. Angle between these two is theta. Alpha is the angle between resultant and the P. Now, our aim is we have to find the magnitude of this resultant and the direction of the resultant. So, D, C is a right angled triangle. O, D, C is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. You know very well. Right angled triangle means Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, ODC is a right angled triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In this ODC right angled triangle, hypotenuse is nothing but OC. Hypotenuse is nothing but OC. Hypotenuse means OC. Square, I am writing square. Side. One side is OD. One side is OD. one side is OD, square I am writing square, another side is CD, another side is CD, another side is CD, square I am writing square. Now please listen. OC square as it is. Now OD can be written as OA plus AD. OD can be written as OA plus AD. Now please see here. OD can be written as OA plus AD. OD can be written as OA plus AD. Square I am writing square plus CD square I am writing CD square. Now please listen all the members. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. What is the formula for A plus B? You know it is in the form of A plus B whole square. What is the formula for A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. OC square is equal to, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. First A square, OA square plus B square means AD square, A square plus B square plus 2 into A means OA, B means AD. Now you see A square plus B square plus 2AB plus CD square I am writing CD square. I am writing CD square. Now all the members please listen. OA is equal to P in magnitude. OA is equal to P. OA is equal to P. OA is equal to P. We know OA. OC is equal to R in magnitude. You know OC, you know OA, OA we know. AD, I don't know AD, I don't know CD. Yes, I have to find. Now please listen. OC square I am writing OC square. OA square I am writing OA square. This AD square and CD square. AD square and CD square, jigri dost, close friends. I will write these two members side by side. AD square, CD square, jigri dost, close friends. They must be at one place. Now, 2 into OA into AD plus AD square plus CD square. Jigri dost, close friends. This equation I am calling it as 1. Now, in this formula, you know OC is equal to R, OA is equal to P, and what you are called OC we know, OA we know. We don't know AD, we don't know CD. You have to find. For that purpose, you see here, ADC is a right angle triangle. ADC is a right angle triangle. Please see here. Now all the members please see here. All the members please see here. A, D, C is a right angle triangle. In right angled triangle, A, D, C. In right angle triangle ADC, we know one formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. In this right angle triangle ADC, it is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse means AC. Now I am talking about small right angle triangle. It is 90 degrees. Now this is A. It is C. Right? This angle theta. ADC. I am talking about small right angle triangle. Hypotenuse, nothing but AC. Hypotenuse means AC. Square. Side. One side is AD square. Another side CD square. This equation I am calling it as a 2. Now in this triangle, we don't know AD. For this angle it is adjacent side. You take cos theta. Cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now adjacent side. In this small triangle, adjacent side. Theta adjacent side is AD. Hypotenuse is AC. Now please listen all the members. Please listen here. Nana, AC into cos theta. Nana, here no one is there, 1. Cross multiplication. 1 into AD. AD is equal to AC into cos theta. AC cos theta. Now this equation I am calling as 3. Here, AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. Right? Next, AD means AC cos theta. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in this equation. The reason is we need AD square and CD square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. That is equation number 2. And we need AD. AD means AC cos theta. Substitute second equation and third equation in the first. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Now please listen here. OC square I am writing as OC square. OA square I am writing as OA square. 2 into OA into AD. AD means AC cos theta. 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 AD means AC cos theta plus AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. AD square plus CD square, nothing but AC square. AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square means AC square. AD square plus CD square means AC square. Now OC is equal to R. OC is equal to R. OC means R. Square is square. OA. OA is equal to P. OA means P. Square ki square. 2 into OA. OA means P. OA means P. AC. AC. AC means Q. AC means Q. Cos theta. AC. AC. AC is equal to Q. OB is Q means AC also equal to Q. Both are opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal. AC is equal to Q. AC is equal to Q square ki square. This R square. We need R only. We need R only. R is equals to magnitude of resultant is equals to magnitude of resultant is equals to under root of, here square eliminated, this side we are getting root, under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. 2PQ cos theta. This is the magnitude of the resultant. It is the magnitude of resultant. Magnitude of the resultant is under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. I am finding the direction of the resultant vector. This resultant is making an angle alpha with the direction of vector P. Alpha is the angle between vector P and the vector R. Now please listen. In the small right angle triangle ADC, I am finding sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Theta ka opposite side. Theta ka opposite side. Theta ka opposite side is CD. Theta ka opposite side is CD. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Now please listen here. On cross multiplication, 1 into CD. 1 into CD. CD is equal to AC into sin theta. AC into sin theta. AC sin theta. This equation I am calling as equation number 4. Keep it in your mind. O, B, C is a right angle triangle. In this triangle you are finding this angle alpha. For this alpha you know opposite side. You know adjacent side. You know adjacent side. Now for this angle alpha you know opposite side. You know adjacent side. Tan alpha is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan alpha is equals to opposite side. Alpha ke opposite side. In the triangle ODC. It is the right angle triangle ODC. We know opposite side CD is equal to AC sin theta. We know adjacent side. In the triangle ODC. Right? It is the right angle triangle. For this alpha you know opposite side. You know adjacent side. For that reason I am taking tan alpha. Opposite by adjacent side. Alpha ka opposite side. Alpha ke opposite side CD. Alpha ka opposite side CD. Adjacent side. Alpha ke adjacent side OD. Tan alpha is equals to CD. I am writing CD only. OD. OD can be written as OA plus AD. OD can be written as OA plus AD. OA plus AD. Tan alpha is equals to CD. CD is equal to AC sin theta. CD is equal to AC sin theta. CD is equal to AC sin theta by OA as it is OA, AD is equal to AC cos theta. AD is equal to AC cos theta. AD is equal to AC cos theta. Now tan alpha is equals to AC. AC is equal to vector Q. AC is equal to vector Q. AC is equal to vector Q. AC means Q. AC means Q. AC means Q. Sin theta by OA. OA is equal to P. OA is equal to P. OA is equals to P. AC is equal to Q. AC is equal to Q. AC means Q cos theta. Now it is a tan alpha. We need this angle. Direction means this angle. Oh, 90 degrees. It is like this. Right? 90 degrees. 0 degrees means like this. When an angle, we need this alpha only. Tan comes to this side. Tan inverse. That implies alpha is equals to, tan comes to this side. Tan inverse Q sin theta. Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. P plus Q cos theta. This is the direction of the resultant. Now this is complete information about the parallelogram law of vectors. Thank you.